Right now, this exact second, gravity stops. Not weakens, not changes, not becomes half as strong. It disappears completely for 1 second. You don't notice immediately. There is no flash, no sound, no warning. The universe does not announce what is about to happen. For a fraction of a second, everything feels normal. Then, your coffee leaves the cup.
Not spills. Leaves. The liquid lifts into the air as a perfect floating sphere. A pen rolls off your desk and never lands. The chair beneath you loses its weight. Your stomach tightens. Your feet leave the floor.
And suddenly, for the first time in the history of Earth, nothing is being pulled down. You have 1 second. That doesn't sound like much. Shorter than a breath. Shorter than the time it takes to realize something is wrong. But 1 second is more than enough, because gravity isn't just keeping you on the ground. It's holding together almost everything you have ever known. And the moment it disappears, reality begins to come apart. At first, the experience is almost beautiful. Weightlessness. True weightlessness. Not the controlled environment of a space station, not the brief sensation of a roller coaster. Actual freedom from gravity. Your body begins drifting upward. Your arms float. Your hair rises. Every loose object in the room joins you. Books, phones, dust, coins. The entire room transforms into a slow-motion cloud of floating objects. For a moment, it almost feels magical. Then you look outside, and the magic disappears, because the same thing is happening everywhere. Cars begin lifting off roads. Bicycles drift upward. Birds lose the rules they evolved around. Entire crowds start floating. Across the planet, billions of people leave the ground at the same time. No one understands why. No one has time to understand why. And this is only the beginning. Because humans are not the most important thing gravity holds down. The atmosphere is. Look up. The sky is leaving. Not metaphorically. Literally. The air above your head is beginning a journey it was never supposed to take. Into space. Every breath you've ever taken exists because gravity pulls Earth's atmosphere toward the surface. Without gravity, that invisible ocean of air has nothing holding it in place. The process begins instantly. High above the planet, molecules start drifting away. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, the gases that took billions of years to accumulate, begin leaking into the darkness. At ground level, you don't notice immediately. There is still air around you, still oxygen, still pressure. But a clock has started. And unlike gravity, that clock doesn't stop after 1 second, because the atmosphere that escapes into space is gone forever. Humanity spent its entire existence living beneath a protective blanket of air. Now that blanket has a hole in it, and the hole is getting larger. Then something even stranger happens. Water begins to rise. Not splash, not evaporate, rise. Puddles lift from the pavement like sheets of glass. Swimming pools lose their surface. Rivers stop behaving like rivers. The water that gravity has spent billions of years holding in place suddenly remembers that nothing is keeping it there anymore. Across the planet, lakes begin separating from their shores. Entire sections of rivers peel upward into the air. And then the oceans start moving. The largest bodies of water on Earth begin responding to a universe without gravity. The surface of the ocean rises first, then the layers below it, then more and more. From space, Earth begins to look wrong. The familiar blue surface starts lifting away from the planet itself. The oceans are leaving, and they are taking life with them. Whales, fish, plankton, creatures that evolved over hundreds of millions of years, all rising together into a sky that is itself disappearing. For the first time in Earth's history, the ocean is becoming a cloud, and gravity has been gone for less than 1 second.